plate. Oink, oink, zoo pals. Buzz, buzz, zoo pals. Quack, quack, zoo pals. Zoo pals make eating fun when you clean your plate.
A hazardous situation has been reported in your area involving an unidentified moving threat. The nature of this threat is currently under investigation. For your safety, follow these instructions immediately. Go indoors and remain inside a secure building. Lock all doors and windows. Turn off exterior lights. Stay away from windows and open areas. Do not attempt to approach or investigate the situation. Authorities report that the threat may move unpredictably and may be difficult to identify at a distance. If you believe you have seen unusual movement or a person or object behaving abnormally, do not engage. Create distance immediately. Report your location to emergency services when safe to do so. Residents are advised to remain calm and limit unnecessary noise and activity inside shelters. Emergency services are actively responding. Do not leave your shelter until an official all clear is given. This message will be updated as more information becomes available.